Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. First up, news on cricket. An intriguing final day looms in the first test between the West Indies and host Zimbabwe in Bulawayo following an enthralling fourth day's play. The West Indies were 21 without loss in their second innings at stumps, leading by only 89 runs. Captain Craig Brathwaite was unbeaten on 11, while Tejan Chanderpaul was 10 not out. Earlier, Zimbabwe, led by a century from former England batsman Gary Balance, posted 379 for 9, declared in their first innings reply after zooming on 114 for 3. Balance was left unbeaten on 137. He also shared in a crucial 135-run eighth-wicket partnership with Brandon Mavuta, who made 56 after the hosts were struggling at 192 for 7. Innocent Kaia also carried on to 62 from his overnight 59. Alzara Joseph took 3 for 75, Jason Holder 2 for 55, and Gudakesh Moti 2 for 110 for the Caribbean team. So scores in the match: the West Indies 447 for 6 declared and 21 without loss. Zimbabwe 379 for 9 declared. Football now. Faukland got their first win of the Jamaica Premier League season after beating fellow promoted team Chapelton Maroons in the feature Monday night match of the doubleheader at the Ashenheim Stadium at Jamaica College. Neil Clark got the all-important goal for Faukland in the 77th minute as they recorded their first win in 13 matches. It also meant Faukland moved above Chapelton in the standings in 13th place.
And we are happy for this win tonight. Yeah, we were desperate to get our first win because, some games that we play, we should have won, as you said, but we didn't win. So this is a great, great, great win for us.
Earlier in the opening match of the doubleheader, Shamario Dennis gave Malays United a 22nd minute lead against the Portmore United. But Emilia Rousseau, with this stunning 57th minute equalizer, brought Portmore back into the contest and eventually rescued a point for the former champions. The result meant Portmore United moved to 17 points but stayed in 8th place in the standings, while Malays remained 12th on 12 points. Jamaica's under-17s will face off with their Trinidad and Tobago counterparts this afternoon at St. Elizabeth Technical in the second of their two-match friendly series ahead of the CONCACAF Championship later this month. Match time is 4 p.m. The young Jamaicans had defeated the Trinidadians 1-0 in the first match, which was held over the weekend at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Orain Watson got the winner in the 77th minute. The CONCACAF Under-17 Championship will be held in Guatemala from February 11 to 26. Jamaica will contest Group G at the championship alongside Costa Rica, Cuba and Guadeloupe. The semi-finalists will qualify for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup to be held in Peru from November 10 to December 2. Athletics now. Former Commonwealth Games 800-meter silver medalist Ines Turner is of the view that Jamaica's middle distance runners can be just as good as the sprinters, given that there has been huge strides and improvement over the years. Turner, who was the first Jamaican woman to break the 2-minute barrier in the 800 meters with a personal best of 1 minute 59.49 seconds, wants to see more athletes in the longer distances.
Things going on for the 800. Can we get some more even in the upper events like the 1500, the 3000, the 50? Absolutely. We are a talented country with talented people in every event.
Turner, who is the head track and field coach at the Fayetteville State University in North Carolina in the USA, is extremely proud of the progress of Jamaican track and field.
I think we have one of the best in the world, and so we are doing extremely well. Every year, year after year, you're seeing new talents developing, you're seeing new talents surfacing.
The former Very Technical star was speaking at the recent J3's Puma Jamalco Development Meet in Clarendon, where she was honored alongside former national 800-meter record holders Seymour Newman and the late Neville Mighton, as well as former national 400-meter champion Michael McDonald and the immediate past president of the J3As, Dr. Warren Blake. And that's where we come across the line for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.